In today's video is gonna be crazy. Alright, so Sonic the Hedgehog is a professional cooker. The Red Angry Bird from Angry Bird Space is a professional cooker. They're gonna fight each other, and who can ever finish their pizza first and put it in the oven wins the match for the KSW champion, which I forgot to bring out. I was too busy planning this out. Alright, here we go. Get out of my way. Sonic now. Sonic is grabbing this. He's going to open. Sonic is now definitely not me. Opening up this thing. Boom, he opened it up. And we actually don't have pizza sauce, so we're gonna use Alfredo. Heard it's a good substitute. Sonic is now gonna. But wait, the Red Angry Bird takes him down. Yeah, whatever. And so now the Red Angry Bird is gonna put the Parmesan and put it to a half a cup there. So he's putting it in. Red Angry Bird pulls out his spoon and he's starting to scoop in the Parmesan in there, getting to a half a cup. But now he's gonna pour it on. But wait a minute, Sonic is back. You're too slow, and he just kicks him away, make sure he doesn't kick back. He's now going to put the pizza sauce onto the bagels here. Sonic is spreading it all real good. It's definitely Sonic. He's just using it with mind control. See, yeah, mind control. I made too much, maybe he made too much Alfredo, but it'll be good. He's just going to... you suck. The Alfredo's my favorite part of the pizza. I was gonna put it on myself. Now the Red Angry Bird is putting the Parmesan cheese in a 1/3 cup. Here, and now the oven is at 253. It's preheating still. Has to get a 455. So, alright, and the Red Angry Bird, definitely not me as always, puts it in. He's just gonna put a little bit of cheese across the pizza here, making it look real delicious and stuff. Oh yeah, now this looks pretty nice, to be honest. But Sonic comes back. Oh, Sonic and the Red Angry Bird are fighting now, and it looks like Sonic's just gonna fight the Red Angry Bird until... Alright, so now he's just putting that away. He's gonna clean out this. Sonic cleaned it out. And now... Ha! But wait a minute. Red Angry Bird is gonna pin Sonic. Wait a minute, you can't pin in this match. He just realized he has to put the pizza in the oven for it to count, to win. No pinfalls in this one. And now the Red Angry Bird's going to the top. Swanton! Ugh. Red Angry Bird is going to separate the pizzas. Make sure they're not fully. He's just making sure everyone's safe. But Sonic hates safety! And he's going to do that thing, whatever that would be, and hitting him with the microwave, opening it up. Is gonna smash the Red Angry Bird with the microwave. The gum fell of how crazy that was. Just gonna pick up the gum real quick. Sonic these two are great cookers, but who's gonna be the one to cook it all to the death? It's not gonna be that good. Hopefully it's good. But Sonic actually decides, why not make this a bit more pizza-like? He'll put on a few things on there. Make it all look very nice. Ooh. But the Red Angry Bird apparently hates oregano. Sure, why not? And boom. And yeah. Yeah. Dang. Now the red Angry Bird is gonna spread some of that oregano around. He's also realized he hasn't even put away any of the stuff here. He's about to do that. It looks like the oven is almost done. It's at 391. And put the cheese away. And he has to put on the lid for the oregano. For the Alfredo. And put it back where it belongs. Put it back where it goes. But Sonic, while being distracted, hits him and closes the fridge, throws him down, and ooh, stare attack. Sonic is now gonna put it in the oven. Sonic, you can't see at the moment. Just put it in, and I'll put on the timer for him. He's kind of small. 10-minute timer. There we go. And Sonic will win this match if he just puts away the bagels. That's all he needs to do. He needs to clean up his mess, and then he'll fully be done. And then we'll eat the pizza afterwards. Wait a minute. Oh, red Angry Bird. Oh, throws him. Quickly puts away the bread. And he's about to put... He has to clean up the mess here. This was not used. He can just put this one right there. I think those are clean. Puts that back in there. He has to clean up here. Put it in the trash. Alright. And now the red Angry Bird is just now going to throw away all the cheese that fell off. Puts the trash back where it belongs. And now there's only one thing left for him to do. He has to put away the oregano. If he does this, he wins the KSW champion. Oh, heart attack! He just had a heart attack. Sonic taking advantage with a super speedy kick. Bam, bam, super speedy kick. And you did it. Ring the bell. Ding, ding, ding. You're winner of this match. And still, KSW champion, Sonic the Hedgehog. They're looking alright. We will, Sonic, how do you feel about winning this cooking fight? Well, you know, man, I feel real good because, I've always been a cooker. Wanted to show my skills in a KSW match here. And I beat the red Angry Bird. Oh, let's check up on the red Angry Bird, how are you? Oh, he's dead. Yeah, he died. Alright, well, the red Angry Bird's dead. Ripping the chat for this guy. Just put him back in. Alright, he's dead. So, yeah. Red Angry Bird's dead. Sonic is about to eat some pizza. Still cooking. We'll give you some updates whenever it's done. We'll taste test it. Alright, and now it's done cooking. Ooh. He's just, hold on, clear. There we go. Sonic is now gonna get a bigger plate than what I was just thinking. This was definitely be better. So Sonic is now gonna pull out the pizza. You won't see it for Sonic doesn't like it when he pulls out food. So now Sonic is like he puts his glove on. This is definitely him putting on the glove. We just you just oh, this is not going well. Okay, there we go. You got one on. All right, Sonic, taste test it for us. Nom 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 nom. Oh man, it tastes real good. Really? Let me get a try. This is actually really good. Holy crap. Did not expect it to turn out that well. Sonic. Even though we're best buds, right? Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, I forgive you for that garage fight, from yesterday. And, we'll share some pizza together. Yeah, man. Alright. No, I'm not going to attack you. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.